What up, everybody? Welcome back. I was this close to missing getting Samantha a gift on time for Christmas. So thankfully, I was one day dinking around on Facebook and came across a company called Topside Floor Mats. They produce floor mats for UTVs, for your Rangers, your Expedition, your Defender. They make their floor mats not out of like a foam material that you put on boat decks and that kind of stuff. They actually make theirs out of recycled rubber. It's a 3/8 thick mat that they can do. They have several different designs for logos or camouflage or the machine name that they can etch into the rubber to give it that custom look and feel. The cool thing about it is, A, they're American made, and two, they're durable. So you can get in here with your boots, mud, whatever you got, clean them off, scrub up on there, and it's not going to damage the material. They're built to last. And the other thing about them is they are laser cut. I mean, perfect. I mean, they fit like a glove. They fit better than what I think Polaris could do on them themselves. So we reached out to them and got the crew cab model 4-seat floor mats for the inside. We also got the bed mat. So it does a couple things. If you throw your tools in the back, it won't scratch the plastic. Also help with resale value. If you do end up deciding to sell your machine, the bed mat will take all the abuse and your plastic will still look pristine. Also, if you put material in the back and you're driving around and you sometimes, like me, don't tie it down, it also prevents it from sliding around because the material is textured and gives it a good grip feel. So whatever you put in the back stays in the spot. So enough of me talking. Let me show you the floor mats and the bed mat, and I can kind of walk you through what we had to do. In our case, because we have the subwoofers on the passenger side, so we had to do a little modification, but something if you have in yours, easy to do. All right, let's take a look. All right, so here we are. All right, so these are the floor mats. You can see super thick, durable. They fit, I mean, look, nice and even. They follow the nice contour. Excuse me the mess. I just went and washed the Ranger and walked around the dirt, so I got mud in here. But easy to clean once we hit them with the garden hose again. But they fit the footwell all the way around. Perfect. I mean, no gaps. Beautiful. Show you the rear. Same perfect fit. They sit nice and Gucci. Fin finish is perfect. I mean, every little nook and cranny that the floorboard has, you are covered. Can't beat it. Thick. So now let's look at the passenger side and kind of show you what it had to do to modify it to fit our machine. Again, now you can get a better view of what it looks like. Tucking in here, since Mama likes to have gems, we have a subwoofer in the front and the back seat. I had to do some trimming to compensate for the subwoofer and then our way, because the actual product from Topside goes all the way back to here and butts up to the rear floor mat. But since we have the subwoofer, had to do some trimming because then we start running into some clearance issues. Had to cut it with a utility knife, a little bit of soap water to make it slippery. I was able to cut it pretty easily and get it to fit. But so now looking at the bed mat, same as the inside. We opted for the design that says Ranger XD. Look on the website. There's several different designs, but again, flush with the bed plastics. Follows the contour perfectly for your bed anchors, and then when you raise the bed so it doesn't fall out, all of these little stake pockets are notched so it stays put. I mean, you got to give it you probably have to wreck the machine for this thing to come out. And then you may be wondering, hey, did I lose my 5-gallon bucket cutouts? Nope. They did the same thing there. All the way to the front of the bed. if you're looking at getting a set for your machine or for somebody else, go to topsidest.com. That's their website. I'll put it down below in the description so that you can click on it, look at what they offer, make a purchase. It takes about 5 to 10 days typically to get the product out to you, because each one is custom made. So it's definitely worth the wait, and you'll be definitely satisfied with the product. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to drop us that down below. We do try to answer every single one of them in a timely manner. And like always, thank you for watching. We'll see you out on the trail.